If you have ever tried to sell a product online, you already know that creating the product is only one part of the work. The harder part is creating content that makes people stop scrolling and actually pay attention.
Can you shut the door? So, I've been using this cream for the past few weeks, and I have to say, I'm really impressed.
Because today, a simple product image is not always enough. You need videos, you need hooks, you need different ad angles, and most importantly, you need content that feels natural on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or even TikTok Shop.
Okay, so I don't know what just happened, but this survived. Vira, Blood Orange, and Yusu. It's been my go-to lately, and honestly, nothing's stopping me from
But
drinking
creating
it.
those videos the traditional way can be stressful. You may need to hire a creator, write a brief, wait for the video, request changes, and sometimes still end up with content that doesn't match your brand. And if you want to test different hooks or different ad styles, the cost and time can quickly become overwhelming. That's why I wanted to test Higgsfield Marketing Studio, because instead of starting from scratch, it gives you a workflow where you can go from a simple product link or product image to a complete AI-generated ad. And the interesting part is that this is powered by Seedance 2.0, which helps generate realistic, creator-style videos around your product. So in this video, I'll walk you through how this works step by step, from adding your product, choosing an avatar, selecting your ad format, creating the hook, choosing the setting, and generating the final video. The first thing you want to do is open Higgsfield AI and go to the Marketing Studio section. Once you're inside, you'll see that the workspace is built to guide you through the process. Before you start generating, you'll need to choose whether you're creating an ad for a physical product or an app. If you're promoting something like a drink, skincare product, bag, mug, clothing item, or any physical product, you can stay on the product option. But if you're promoting software, an app, or a website dashboard, then you can switch to the app option so the AI understands the type of content you want to create. For this example, I'll be using a physical product, so I'll stay on the product option. Next, we need to add the product. You can either paste a product link or upload a product image manually. This is useful because if you already have a product page, the platform can use that as a starting point. But if you only have a clean product image, you can upload it directly. So I'll click on the product slot, upload my product image, and now the product is ready inside the workspace. After adding the product, the next step is choosing the person who will appear in the ad. This is where the avatar section comes in. You can select from preset avatars, or you can upload your own character reference to create a custom presenter for your brand. So I'll choose an avatar that matches the style of the product. If the product is casual and lifestyle based, I may choose someone who looks natural and relatable. But if I'm creating a more premium commercial, I may choose a more polished character. Once the avatar is selected, the AI can keep that character consistent across the video, which makes the final result feel more believable. Now we move into the creative direction. Inside Marketing Studio, you can choose the type of ad you want to create. For example, you can create a UGC-style ad, a tutorial, an unboxing, a product review, or a more cinematic commercial-style video. This is powerful because different products need different content styles. A skincare product might work well with a product review. A new gadget may work better with a tutorial. A fashion product may work better with a try-on style. And for social media ads, UGC is usually a strong option because it feels natural and familiar to viewers. For this example, I'll choose the UGC style. After choosing the ad format, the next important step is the hook. And this part matters a lot because the first few seconds of your video can determine whether someone keeps watching or scrolls away. A good hook creates curiosity immediately. It can be a visual pattern interrupt, a surprising movement, a natural creator opening, or a scene that instantly makes the viewer want to know what happens next. Inside Higgsfield Marketing Studio, you can choose different hook styles depending on the type of video you want. Some hooks feel more dramatic and attention-grabbing, while others feel more natural and realistic. So if you want something bold, you can choose a stronger visual hook. But if you want the ad to feel more organic, you can choose something subtle, like a casual street-style opening or a creator-style reaction. For this first video, I'll choose a hook that grabs attention quickly because I want the product to stand out in the first few seconds. Next, we choose the setting. This is where you decide where the ad should take place. You can choose everyday environments like a bedroom, kitchen, office, gym, or outdoor space. Or you can go for something more dramatic and cinematic depending on the type of ad you want to create. After that, we set the technical details. Since this video is for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, I'll use the vertical 9:16 format. Then I'll set the quality to 1080p and choose a short duration around 15 seconds because short form ads need to get to the point quickly. Now everything is ready, so now I'll hit generate and let Higgsfield create the ad. And this is what I got.
Okay, so this is out around 9 p.m. I bought it for my boyfriend and I genuinely can't tell whose it is anymore. Patchouli, vanilla, this little edge of mint. Smells like a night out that actually went well. Under $40, you're welcome.
Now let's preview the results. What I'm looking for here is simple. First, does the product appear clearly? Second, does the avatar stay consistent? Third, does the hook feel natural inside the video? And fourth, does the whole ad feel like something that could actually work on social media? And this is where the workflow becomes useful. If the first result is good, you can export it. But if something feels off, you don't have to start over completely. You can change the hook, switch the setting, try another ad format, or regenerate another version. So let's test the second version. This time, instead of a standard UGC video, I'll choose a product review style. For the hook, I'll go with something more natural and less dramatic because I want this version to feel like someone casually talking about the product. Then I'll choose a more everyday setting, like nature, and this is the result I got.
Okay, so my boyfriend wears off-on 9 p.m. and I cannot stop making him hug me. Patchouli, vanilla, a little mint, smells expensive, costs like $30, should not be legal. If your man doesn't have this yet, that's the sign. Off-on 9 p.m.
If you want to try Higgsfield Marketing Studio, I'll leave the link in the description. Finally, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which ad style you would test first: UGC, product review, tutorial, or cinematic commercial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.